I'm obsessed with this beaded bag. It instantly elevates even the simplest outfit.
This girl, this garden, and even this bag, none of them actually exist. What looks like a real UGC ad took me just 3 minutes to create. And today I'll show you exactly how to make this kind of AI UGC content for free. No model, no studio, no product needed. Let's get started. Open your browser and type Labs Google in the search bar. Click the first result, the official labs.google site. In the left menu, go to Experiments. Scroll down and click See More to expand all projects. Find a section called Flow and click Create with Flow. When a pop-up window appears, press Create with Flow again. Accept the privacy policy to continue. Inside the workspace, click New Project. Now, look at the bottom left and open the drop-down menu. Choose Ingredients to Video. On the right panel, set up your preferences, choose your aspect ratio, the number of generations, and the video model. Then click the plus button to upload your photos. One for the location or background, one for the model, and one for the product you want to advertise. Crop the images if needed, and then type your prompt in the text field. I'll leave mine in the description below. When you're ready, hit the arrow button and let AI do the magic. In just a few seconds, you'll have a realistic UGC-style video that looks 100% authentic.
I'm obsessed with this beaded bag. It instantly elevates even the simplest outfit.
While you're off creating your own UGC content, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more free AI hacks. Thanks for watching. See you soon.